All week long, we are celebrating Aiea, Pearl City, and Waimalu, the people, the businesses, and the neighborhood spots that give these communities their heart.
All right, let's meet the team at Structural Hawaii, known for innovative ideas and engineering excellence. They help bring dream construction projects to life. Watch.
A very big mahalo to Jeoffrey and Cheryl Kuriamat of Structural Hawaii. We get a chance to be here. We're actually in their offices. It's going to be coming up in a few months, right? Yes. I love it. And I love being here because we kind of get to see what Structural Hawaii does and how you folks are putting your work to work for you. This is wonderful. Tell me a little bit about the history of Structural Hawaii. How long have you folks been in business?
We've been in business since 2004 for about 22 years now. And we're really excited about our new office here in Aiea. We have been operating in our old office in Pearl City, but we're excited to move to our new facility in Aiea.
This is beautiful. Now, I really love doing the research on Structural Hawaii because it's a one-stop shop company. Tell me a little bit about that.
So for 22 years, we've been doing design, engineering, permit processing, and inspections for various types of projects throughout the islands, and specifically the residential market.
Well, yeah, that's the ones that are watching us right now. These are the people that are watching us now. You folks take care of, again, design, the planning, drafting, and permitting. Can we talk a little bit about permitting? Look, Cheryl, she's like, let's talk a little bit about permitting because we know that that's kind of been a sticking point for a lot of people who are trying to build residential, yeah?
Permitting, it's a process that's really difficult to navigate through because of the ever-changing requirements, the new building codes, the new processes that the city's been implementing. So we've been in business for 22 years handling that kind of permit processing. So if anybody has a need to process plans through the permitting department, we can do that. There's a lot of different ways you can process permits now, and because they have multiple systems ongoing with e-plans and the new CivCheck, the AI review bot that they have recently implemented, it's new to everybody. And so we've been lucky enough to beta test that with the city and implement it. And actually, we have a few projects that are going through that process right now.
I love that. And I also enjoy the fact of knowing that you've worked with the city hand in hand in the past, right? Can you share a little bit about that history with us?
For a few years, I was serving as chief engineer for the city and county of Honolulu. I was a director in the cabinet for Mayor Mufi Hanneman. So I'm familiar with the city system, and it was a great experience being in the city.
Oh yeah, but you're working your own business now, but you're also bringing a lot of that knowledge from the city into the work that you do, and I think that's awesome. So Jeoffrey, tell me a little bit about what's happening here in this space. I know we got a 3-story building. We're located right next to Aiea Shopping Center. Tell us what's going to be happening here and how people will be able to connect with you.
Yes, super excited about our new home. So we're standing in our engineer's space where we're going to have cubicles and open office concept. We do have private meeting rooms for meeting with our clients. We do have bigger break room, private offices. We also have different parts of the building that we will use for other spaces. And so we're super excited about the use of this building.
You also talked about planning, right? So let's talk a little about the planning because I have to be honest with you, I think myself and a lot of other people, we have a hard time seeing our dream and our vision in a flat blueprint like this. Is there another way that you folks offer that kind of vision?
Yes, technology has really taken off, and we use the latest technology. We have a 3D scanning machine that can scan existing buildings inside and out to create accurate as-built drawings, and we convert that to our CAD drawings. And from there, we're able to create 3D models of the new designs for their new homes. People want to do additions. We talk about multi-generational homes where they have to expand because keiki are moving in from college or kapuna.
Right.
Things are so expensive, and sometimes you got to think of creative ways to maximize your property.
Structural Hawaii. Cheryl, how can our viewers reach out to you folks?
Honestly, the best way just to call our office. We have a very super simple number. Of course, 808-488-5000.
Oh, nice. Yes. Very nice.
Yeah, we carry that number since forever.
And when I call 808-488-5000, is it Cheryl I'm going to be talking with?
We actually have a couple secretaries, so customer service, as you can imagine. I do have my MBA, so business is my forte. Obviously, Jeoffrey is for the engineering side. side. But yeah, just taking care of families. As an engineering firm, there's a lot of firms in Hawaii, but I feel that they focus more on government work, industrial work, commercial. We actually choose to focus on residential. We have 4 kids of our own, and we're very involved with the community. So just really helping families and to keep them staying and living in Hawaii, that's what I feel is our duty. That's your biggest project of your life, you know? So that's why we really focus on customer service, making it as simple as possible, not daunting. We just want to keep it affordable, have it make sense, have it be beautiful, but yet economical as well.
I absolutely love this team right here. Jeoffrey takes care of the engineering and the technology side of things. And of course, we have Cheryl here with the business side and the heart. You can't go wrong with Team Supreme right here, the Kuriamat Ohana of Structural Hawaii.